Welcome to our tutorial on the mvfilter command in Splunk SPL. The mvfilter command is a powerful function that allows you to filter items from multi-value fields based on specific conditions and expressions. Think of it as a smart filter that can examine each individual value within a multi-value field and decide whether to keep or discard it based on criteria you define. The mvfilter command filters items from multi-value fields based on conditions and expressions, returning only values that match specified criteria. When you have a field containing multiple values, mvfilter examines each value individually and applies your filtering logic. Only the values that satisfy your conditions will be retained in the result, while others are removed from the multi-value field. The basic syntax for mvfilter is straightforward. You write mvfilter followed by parentheses containing your expression. The expression parameter defines the condition that each value in your multi-value field must meet to be included in the filtered result. This expression can be a simple comparison, a complex logical statement, or even a function call. Here's a simple example of mvfilter in action. The eval command creates a new field called filtered_list that contains the result of mvfilter applied to the items field. The condition items greater than 100 means that only values in the items field that are numerically greater than 100 will be kept in the filtered_list field. Mvfilter also works excellently with string matching. In this example, the eval command creates an error_types field by filtering the log_messages field. The match function is used within mvfilter to find all log messages that contain the word error. Only those multi-value field items that match this string pattern will be retained in the result. You can create more sophisticated filters using complex conditions with logical operators. This example shows how to filter values that fall within a specific range. The condition values greater than 50 and values less than 200 means only numbers between 50 and 200 will be kept. The AND operator allows you to combine multiple conditions for precise filtering. mvfilter has many practical applications in real-world scenarios. For log analysis, you can filter error messages from multi-value log fields to focus on problematic events. In data cleaning tasks, mvfilter helps remove null or invalid values from datasets, ensuring your analysis works with clean, reliable data. These use cases demonstrate how mvfilter streamlines data processing workflows. Let's summarize the key points about mvfilter. First, it filters multi-value fields based on conditions you specify, giving you precise control over which values to keep. Second, it supports complex expressions and logical operators, allowing sophisticated filtering logic. Finally, mvfilter is essential for data cleaning and log analysis tasks, making it an invaluable tool in your Splunk SPL toolkit. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.